Nairobi.
To the corridors of justice now, and the High Court has issued a landmark ruling declaring that the blanket criminalisation of consensual sex between minors is unconstitutional. High Court Judge Bahati Mwamuye found that the law has consistently failed to distinguish between predatory offences and consensual relationships between minors. Our reporter Milia Kisienya with more.
For years, teenagers, particularly males under 18 years of age, have found themselves on the receiving end over consensual relationships. With such cases piling up each day and giving judges a headache, High Court Judge Bahati Mwamuye has come to their rescue. Mwamuye has lifted blanket sex ban against consenting minors.
A declaration be and is hereby issued that the application of sections 8, 9, and 11 of the Sexual Offences Act to consensual, non-coercive, and non-exploitative sexual conduct between adolescents of close age proximity.
According to Mwamuye, the law has failed to distinguish between predatory offense and consensual relationships between adolescents in close age, with a number of them being in love.
Editorial and enforcement agencies requiring that they shall, in applying the Sexual Offences Act to persons below the age of 18 years, distinguish between consensual, non-coercive, and non-exploitative sexual conduct between adolescents of close age proximity.
Justice Mwamuye further directed the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution to revise prosecution guidelines to prevent consenting teenagers from being charged with defilement under the current law.
To ensure uniformity, transparency, and compliance with Articles 10, 27, 28, 31, 43, 53, and 157 of the Constitution.
Mwamuye ruled that such children deserve protection and guidance rather than punishment. The ruling comes months after Parliament first renewed pressure to review the Sexual Offences Act No. 3 of 2006, amid growing concerns over prison congestion and mandatory sentencing in defilement cases. Milia Kisienya, KTN.
Now, the family of slain gospel artist